Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life, and today is day number 9. Can y'all believe it? Oh my goodness, this is just flying by. Today, the sketch is by Sarah Davis, and it is a 2-photo sketch, and it's got strips of paper down the middle, and it's got some embellishments here, and then a few here, but the photos are like this, almost like a grid pattern, because there's a circle here and a circle here. So it was one of those sketches that leans very well to scraps. So I went through my stash and I found all of these scraps of paper and these little bitty strips here, and so I thought I might use these to create my layout. I don't know how it's going to work out, but I'm going to start there. Also, I have pulled in a couple of different things. I've pulled in this border, and it punches out of that background there. It almost has a look of, I don't know, it's a geometric shape. Anywho, I pulled in my wood grain stars, I pulled in my acrylic stars, and then I pulled in my puffy stars. And then I pulled this sticker sheet in for the star here and here. So we'll see what I come out with all of this. The rest of my embellishments are all around me, so I have tons to work with, but this is where I'm starting. So let me give you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you what I have created. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 9. Woo! Let me show you the things that I did not use. I did not use my wood veneer stars. I did not use this paper or this border strip. But that's it. The rest of the stuff that I had pulled out, I used. Showing you my tools that I used this time, I used my old Making Memories circle punch. I used this Recollection circle punch. I used this Marvy Uchida circle punch, and I used my template here. This is like the Coloozle, but it's not a Coloozle system. It's just one that I picked up when I went to a retreat one time, or a scrapbook convention, I don't know, but it's got multiple layers cut into it, and so I graded them here 1 through 13, and just to help me in knowing where I cut out, and then that's my foam backing when I do cut from those. Anywho, so here's the leftover papers of what I did use. You can see some I pulled in, some additional ones that I pulled in that weren't originally included in. I'll trim those down and they'll go back into my stash, into my scrap bin to use on future projects. I pulled this alphabet in along with this alphabet. I did have to break into my second package of these to get another M. And then as far as embellishment stickers, I used the circle with the star, the 2 stars here, and then pink stars here. So there's everything that I started with that I used, and here is the layout that I created. Now this one, it was great for using up tons of scraps. A little difficult in thought process putting it together. I'm not sure I'm 100% happy, but hey, it's done. It's one for the album, and I'm not going to complain about that for sure. I used that chipboard piece that I had here and here. I had a little section left, but it was kind of trash, so I tossed it out. The 2 paper stars here, the sticker stars, I popped those up on a little bit of foam adhesive, only because these acrylic stars are so very thick, but I used the last 4 of those that I had, and you can see I just placed the pink stars, and there's that other sticker. And then my title is Family Moments. Nothing out of the ordinary, just moments in time when we were at family reunion. You can see I used my border strips here. I used all of the papers that I pulled in. There's the 2 big circles, the smaller circles that I punched. I had a great time using some of my older tools, so that always feels nice to get that done. Anyway guys, I will have close-ups of the embellishment clusters at the end of the video, so if you're interested, make sure you stay tuned for that. If you're interested in seeing the other videos that I have created during this series, make sure head over to my playlist called 30DS CBL 11. This is series number 11, y'all. How is that even possible? And this is the first one of 2023. There will be a couple more as the year progresses, I think, in June and October. So stay tuned. Make sure you catch every day. There is a playlist on YouTube called hashtag 30DSCBL11 that will have everybody's layouts on it. So make sure, if you're interested in following along and seeing what other people did with this sketch, make sure you head over there. The other place to check out more inspiration is on Christy's Beautiful Life Facebook page. She will have each day she posts the sketch, and all the layouts, the photos that people post or videos, they'll link them there as well sometimes. Not everybody does a video, but a lot of people do photos, so you can see all of those over there. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you being here, and I will see you on tomorrow's layout.